to update 5 and day 155 of panning the Becca and Jaclyn Hill Champagne Collection face palette. I didn't hit any new pans this month, which is a-okay. I wasn't expecting it, but I did make some great progress I'm excited to share with you. First, just a little refresher, the picture on the top is from January where we started, and the picture on the bottom is from last month. I did previously hit pan in Vanilla Quartz after 49 uses. I was able to hit pan in Champagne Pop after 5 uses thanks to that crater that was kind of in there from the beginning. And I also hit pan in Prosecco Pop after 37 uses. As for Rose Spritz and Pamplemousse, they still look brand new. As for weights, when I brought this palette in back in January, it weighed 220.8 grams. Last month it weighed 217.4 grams, and this month it weighs 217.2 grams. So not a huge change in weight. It is roughly 0.2 grams this month, and in total I have used 3.6 grams. Before I reveal my palette, I just want to show a little picture here. Familiarize yourself with how microscopic that pan on Vanilla Quartz was last update. And this is always the difficult part, trying not to blind you with the world's most reflective palette. This is what it looks like now. So this past month I spent focusing on Rose Spritz, which is the more shimmery blush, and as well as Vanilla Quartz, which is the shade in the middle. Rose Spritz just is stubborn and doesn't really look like much, but look at that pan in Vanilla Quartz. That is huge. The other thing I was able to do this month is I officially hit 25 uses on all shades, which was one of my goals. My next goal is 50 uses on all shades. It's just Champagne Pop that's holding us back at this point. As for monthly and total uses, months on the top, totals are on the bottom. I used Rose Spritz 14 times, bringing it to a total of 48. I used Vanilla Quartz 12 more times, bringing it to a total of 61. I used Pamplemousse, a big fat 0, keeping it at 50. Champagne Pop I used 6 more times to bring it to that 25 mark where we hit our goal. And Prosecco Pop also gets the big O. It's still at 42 uses. The picture on top is from May, and the picture on the bottom is the current one from June. My goals this past month were to focus on Rose Spritz and Vanilla Quartz, and I think I did pretty dang good. I don't think the blush is really going to show much. I think it's going to take quite a long time. I'll even be surprised if I hit pan on it at all this year. That's how I'm starting to feel, but that's okay. However, Vanilla Quartz is working with us. It is definitely showing some improvement, and my goal is to completely empty that pan. So what am I going to do for June? The exact same thing I did this month. I'm going to focus still on Rose Spritz and Vanilla Quartz because I'm stubborn and I really want to hit pan in Rose Spritz, so I'm doubling down on it, so hopefully we can get some good use on it. And then like I said, I really do want to use up Vanilla Quartz, so I'm really going to be focusing on that one, I think, until I get sick of it and need a little bit of variety, or maybe I'll just dab into the other ones for fun, but I'm really going to focus on Vanilla Quartz because I think that's the best chance we have at using up a pan. Short and sweet update for you this month, because that's really all I have to share with you. It was just that expanded pan in Vanilla Quartz that went from being like super microscopic, you could barely see it in the picture, to like, it is definitely there now. Next update for Pan That Face palette is on July 4th. However, my next video that you can catch me in is actually kind of an impromptu one. It is coming tomorrow, and it is a collaboration with YesStyle and Medicube. I was able to receive a product for free in exchange for a review, and so that review is coming tomorrow. Hopefully I will catch you in one or all of them, but if not, I appreciate you watching my video today. Thank you for encouraging me along my journey, and until the next one, I hope the day treats you well. Bye!